Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy pork. First, select a high-quality cut like a 2-pound pork loin or shoulder. Next, prepare your pork by trimming any large pieces of excess fat, aiming to leave about 1/4 inch for optimal flavor and moisture. Finally, pat the entire surface of the pork very dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a beautiful, golden brown crust when you cook it. Now, let's talk about seasoning. A simple yet effective rub includes 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix these ingredients well and generously apply the rub all over your pork, pressing it gently to adhere. For the best results, let the pork marinate for at least 30 minutes at room temperature, or refrigerate it for up to 12 hours to infuse maximum flavor. There are several fantastic ways to cook your pork. For roasting, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for approximately 25 minutes per pound, or until a meat thermometer reads 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If grilling, use medium-high heat, turning the pork every 5 minutes to achieve even cooking and beautiful grill marks. Always verify the internal temperature for a safe and delicious meal. Once your pork is cooked, the final step is crucial for tenderness. Allow the pork to rest for 10 to 15 minutes on a cutting board, loosely tented with foil. This resting period lets the juices redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Finally, slice the pork against the grain into 1/4 inch thick pieces for the most tender and enjoyable serving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.